Meet our complete web-based email marketing solution that helps thousands of marketers, small businesses, and nonprofit organizations to communicate more effectively. You will find that it is easy to use, effective, and affordable. You will soon be on your way to successful and profitable email marketing campaigns, even if you're just starting out. As our valued user, you will build your mailing lists, boost customer confidence, increase your conversions, sell more products, and increase your profits. Warning: your marketing results may increase dramatically. Our complete email marketing service does the following to boost your effectiveness: converts your website visitors to subscribers, delivers your instant information, newsletters, announcements, and promotions, follows up with your subscribers at preset time intervals, tracks your subscribers' clicks, signups, and sales, converts your subscribers to paying customers, all automatically. Are you losing sales due to the lack of a follow-up marketing system? Marketing research shows that if visitors are contacted with your marketing message only once, you may lose up to 54% of your potential sales. Or you can salvage these sales and increase your online revenue and profits with our autoresponder and follow-up solution. You will find that creating and sending your newsletters, special offers, and email postcards have never been simpler. Even if you are new email marketing, you will quickly master our intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Our straightforward wizard will guide you every step of the way to creating your campaigns and newsletters. You may easily create your messages in plain text or HTML-enhanced formats. If you choose HTML, you will edit your message in a what you see is what you get editor that makes it very simple to add formatting and images to your newsletter. To further enhance the communication with your prospective customers, you may choose from over 150 attractive, professionally designed HTML templates. Choosing the template that matches your campaign is only a few clicks away when you use our email marketing system. Or if you already have your own template, you'll be able to use it as well. Smart email marketers know that personalizing their campaigns can significantly improve their results and convert more subscribers to paying customers. You won't need to send generic, uninviting marketing messages that nobody wants to read. You will easily personalize every message with your subscriber's name and other custom data to promote relationships and increase your marketing effectiveness. Our solution enables you to easily add subscribers to your campaigns and newsletters and build your permission-based mailing lists. The web form wizard makes it very simple for you to add a subscription form to your website and convert your visitors to subscribers. You can also import your existing contacts through our easy-to-use import wizard. You will be thrilled to know that our complete email marketing system provides you with detailed statistics, reporting, and tracking features to help you maximize your results. We will help you track your sign-ups, open rate, click-throughs, unsubscribers, undeliverables. But that's not all. We are the first email marketing service that lets you track not only sales, but also non-sale actions, such as software downloads or lead acquisitions. Take advantage of this innovative feature to track and monitor leads, sales, and dollar revenues generated by your campaigns. Know your numbers, optimize your marketing, and watch your results soar. Due to the proliferation of spam, ISPs and email services are shielding their users from unwanted email by implementing blocking and filtering solutions. At our company, all delivery systems are monitored 24/7. Our team of proactive deliverability experts stays in touch with all of the major ISPs to ensure continuity of your email campaigns. We also participate in industry initiatives such as Email Sender and Provider Coalition and Email Senders Accreditation Program. Why are we so fanatic about email deliverability? Because every undelivered email can mean a lost sale for you, and we simply don't take that risk. Meet our complete web-based email marketing solution that helps thousands of marketers, small businesses, and nonprofit organizations to communicate more effectively. You will find that it is easy to use, effective, and affordable. You will soon be on your way to successful and profitable email marketing campaigns, even if you're just starting out. As our valued user, you will build your mailing lists, boost customer confidence, increase your conversions, sell more products, and increase your profits. Warning: your marketing results may increase dramatically. Our complete email marketing service does the following to boost your effectiveness: converts your website visitors to subscribers, delivers your instant information, newsletters, announcements, and promotions, follows up with your subscribers at preset time intervals, tracks your subscribers' clicks, signups, and sales, converts your subscribers to paying customers, all automatically. Are you losing sales due to the lack of a follow-up marketing system? Marketing research shows that if visitors are contacted with your marketing message only once, you may lose up to 54% of your potential sales. Or you can salvage these sales and increase your online revenue and profits with our autoresponder and follow-up solution. You will find that creating and sending your newsletters, special offers, and email postcards have never been simpler. Even if you are new email marketing, you will quickly master our intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Our straightforward wizard will guide you every step of the way to creating your campaigns and newsletters. You may easily create your messages in plain text or HTML-enhanced formats. If you choose HTML, you will edit your message in a what you see is what you get editor that makes it very simple to add formatting and images to your newsletter. To further enhance the communication with your prospective customers, you may choose from over 150 attractive, professionally designed HTML templates. Choosing the template that matches your campaign is only a few clicks away when you use our email marketing system. Or if you already have your own template, you'll be able to use it as well. Smart email marketers know that personalizing their campaigns can significantly improve their results and convert more subscribers to paying customers. You won't need to send generic, uninviting marketing messages that nobody wants to read. You will easily personalize every message with your subscriber's name and other custom data to promote relationships and increase your marketing effectiveness. Our solution enables you to easily add subscribers to your campaigns and newsletters and build your permission-based mailing lists. The web form wizard makes it very simple for you to add a subscription form to your website and convert your visitors to subscribers. You can also import your existing contacts through our easy-to-use import wizard. You will be thrilled to know that our complete email marketing system provides you with detailed statistics, reporting, and tracking features to help you maximize your results. We will help you track your sign-ups, open rate, click-throughs, unsubscribers, undeliverables. But that's not all. We are the first email marketing service that lets you track not only sales, but also non-sale actions, such as software downloads or lead acquisitions. Take advantage of this innovative feature to track and monitor leads, sales, and dollar revenues generated by your campaigns. Know your numbers, optimize your marketing, and watch your results soar. Due to the proliferation of spam, ISPs and email services are shielding their users from unwanted email by implementing blocking and filtering solutions. At our company, all delivery systems are monitored 24/7. Our team of proactive deliverability experts stays in touch with all of the major ISPs to ensure continuity of your email campaigns. We also participate in industry initiatives such as Email Sender and Provider Coalition and Email Senders Accreditation Program. Why are we so fanatic about email deliverability? Because every undelivered email can mean a lost sale for you, and we simply don't take that risk.